Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. I'm beautiful and write beautifully. Let's learn today's lesson, present perfect tense. What is present perfect tense? This tense is used to talk about an action that has been completed at some point in the past, but it is related to the present. Example, I have finished my homework. Structure. Number 1. Affirmative. Subject plus has or have plus past participle of verbs. Examples, I have eaten. She has gone to school. Number 2. Negative. Subject plus has or have plus not plus past participle of verb. Examples, he has not called me. They have not arrived yet. Number 3. Interrogative. Has or have plus subject plus past participle of verb. Examples, have you seen the movie? Has she completed the task? Uses for experience, for recently completed actions, for actions that have an impact on the present. Examples, I have visited Paris. She has just finished her homework. Speaking practice. I have learned a lot today. Have you eaten lunch? He has not told me yet. That's all for present perfect tense. Practice it daily. So, like, share, and subscribe to Fluent English with Shah. Thank you very much.